Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, this is my son, his name is Matthew, and we ran to the store, and of course we were going for one or two things, and we came back with all these bags. So our local store here where I live is called WEIS grocery store. So let me show. What?
I'm just gonna say it's a fantastic establishment.
So I want to show you what we got. So I'm really excited about this. Okay, so he's gonna pull the items out because usually I'm working with one hand.
Also, the dog Nico is
Also,
here.
this is Nico. Okay, yes, he has to go to the groomer,
Yeah.
but okay. So let's. I saw this big bag of the Mac pork.
Skins.
Pork skins, and this was $1.79. I don't know the prices of all the items, but this was a good price for the pork rinds. So in this bag here, okay, I got one of the Banquet Vermont Maple Brown and Serve. That was $1. Okay, and now the Quest cookie, peanut butter cookie, this was $2.50. And then these Quest bars, which I usually have these for all of this stuff for a snack, this was 3 for $5. And yes, I needed a new mop. I believe this was 10, right? This was about $10.
Yeah, too much. Yeah, it's right.
Okay, now you see these are 9 packs of the Brillo dish packs. These were $1, so I grabbed 2 of those. I thought that was a good buy. I've tried those, they work pretty good. And then in my store, they carry the jumbo eggs. Those jumbo eggs, I paid $1.89. That's what they cost where I live here. So we got 2 of those.
What do you use the eggs for?
Eggs. Well, what do I use the eggs for? I make
Yeah, how do you
breakfast.
cook them? Like, what do you use them
I
in?
just make breakfast for your brother.
Sandwiches.
Yes. Okay, so
Which
now,
brings us into the next item.
guys, please excuse this is my younger son, by the way.
I'm the baby and the handsome one.
Okay, so this is, this I believe was, I don't even know
I
what
think
that
it was
was.
like $14.
No, it wasn't. I believe
It was
that was like $1 something. Okay, so
This is about $35.
are you gonna help me or what? Okay,
Wow.
so we got these bags of the coleslaw because I'd rather buy them like this because I don't like cutting and shredding it myself. I don't necessarily use them for coleslaw. I actually use them for his salad. So these were $1.69 a bag, and it's a 1 pound bag. Okay, so we got 3 of those. So I'll move that over there. And now I got 2 cans of the solid tuna fish for me, and I'm trying to think of what that costs. I'm not really sure. Oh, I'm sorry. Those were 2 for $3. And this one says low sodium. No, 25% less sodium. That's new. And these are the yogurts I have for a snack. The 2 Goods yogurt. This was also 2 for $3, so it's $1.50 each. Okay, so he's trying to help me here.
Yeah, let me.
Isn't he handsome?
Ladies,
Okay.
I am.
Okay, so I usually, well, this is a staple here for me, is the Planters peanuts.
You know, she's always eating peanuts.
Okay, this is $2.99. And then, of course, we got some dog food for the dogs. That's $1 each can, and that's the high protein, Purina. Okay,
Dog chow since 1926, people. Who would have thought?
let's move it. Okay, so then I got my other son this energy drink, the Monster. This was like $2. Then now you're moving too fast. Okay, so here the Gatorade Zero is $1 each, so we got 2 of those. And that's the tuna fish. Okay, so now we got 2
You
heads
gotta
of
back
lettuce.
up a little bit.
Yeah, 2 heads of lettuce that he's taken out of the bag. I think those were $1.29 a piece.
Yeah, 2 heads of lettuce. You make salad with that or something?
Yes, your salad.
Yeah,
your salad.
I eat rabbit food.
So he wanted some almond milk, which is really why we were going to the store, but that's a whole other story. And we came back with all this other stuff.
Yeah, regular milk causes too much mucus.
So he got 2 of the almond milk. Is that the unsweetened? Yeah, 2 of the unsweetened.
Original.
And I'm not sure if that was $2.67 for each one. Then the flour,
My favorite.
we make our own bread. So the flour, I believe that was $2.17 for each one, and we got 2.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we got 2 of those, and so I thought that was a good buy because I think the last time I saw it was almost $4. Is that everything?
Yes, it is.
Okay, guys, so I thought we'd go ahead and show you the grocery hauls. So if you like these kind of videos, comment below. Again, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Every time you hit like, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Have an awesome night, guys.
Yo, it's too late now. The video's over.
He didn't get a chance to say his ending, so
Thank you guys for joining the Grace Life today. My name is Matthew Ballard. And today we're going to be talking about what we're eating today on the kitchen here. Today we have a poll.
Thanks, guys.
Stay blessed.
Bye.